Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by spotting the first non-zero digit and deciding the sign. This sets the tone. Once you find that digit, count how many places the decimal point must move to sit after it. Make sure to note if you move the decimal left, that gives a positive exponent, or right for a negative exponent. Also, keep the leading digit between 1 and 9. This normalization ensures the number is in proper standard form and ready for exponent calculation. You now create the mantissa by placing the decimal immediately after the first non-zero digit, giving a value from 1 up to 9. 999. Once done, determine the exponent. It equals the count of places you moved the decimal, and make sure to apply the correct sign based on direction. Then combine them into mantissa times 10 exponent. Practice with both very large and very small numbers, so you understand why the exponent changes magnitude, but the numeric value remains identical. You finish by verifying the conversion. Reverse the process to confirm the value matches the original. Multiply or divide the mantissa by 10 exponent as needed. This check catches sign or shift mistakes. If the mantissa isn't between 1 and 10, adjust and update the exponent. Finally, pay attention to rounding and significant figures. Small rounding errors can change results, so if numbers look off, recount decimal shifts and correct the exponent immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.